Can I search for a bank reference number using the date and amount of the transaction?
Hello there, and welcome to our tutorial on understanding your bank transactions. Today, we're going to answer a common question. Can I search for a bank reference number using the date and amount of the transaction? We'll break down this process and hopefully shed some light on how you can efficiently track your banking activities.
What is a bank reference number?
A bank reference number, also known as a transaction reference number, TRN, is a unique identifier assigned to each financial transaction made through a bank. This number allows banks, businesses, and individuals to trace, track, and identify transactions in their bank statements or transaction histories. If you've ever needed to check a particular transaction, this number can be incredibly handy.
Can you find a bank reference number using date and amount?
Let's get straight to the point. Technically, yes, it's possible to search for a transaction using the date and the amount of the transaction. However, there's a caveat. The ability to search using these parameters greatly depends on the features available in your bank's online or mobile banking platform. While some platforms have advanced search functionalities that allow you to input the transaction date and amount, others might not. Also, it's worth noting that even if your bank does allow for this kind of search, there might be limitations. For example, the system might only allow you to search within a certain date range, or only for certain types of transactions. This could make finding the specific transaction you're looking for more challenging.
What if I can't search by date and amount?
If you're unable to search for a bank reference number using the date and amount of the transaction, don't panic. Most banks provide other methods of tracking transactions. A common alternative is to manually review your transaction history. Although this might take a bit more time, it's a surefire way to locate your transaction. Once you've found the transaction, the reference number will typically be listed alongside it. You could also consider reaching out to your bank's customer service. They might be able to assist you in finding the reference number, especially if the transaction was significant or unusual. We hope this video has provided some insight into how you can search for a bank reference number using the date and amount of the transaction. Remember, though, that the availability of this feature will vary between banks and their respective online or mobile platforms. When in doubt, don't hesitate to contact your bank directly. They're there to assist you, and will usually be able to help you track down the information you're after. Thank you for watching, and happy banking!